Yeah, I'm grateful shit, man, you know. What's up, man? Blessed in abundance, look who raised from the dungeon. Still come through in the clutch. I'm that dime in a dozen, pulling up clean to the function. Niggas mislead with assumptions, gotta stay clean from the grudges. Niggas getting way too comfy. Heads up, the king is here. My ride will is right on time. And if you do not mind, I'm like a glass of Prosecco wine. I'm with the queen, finna get all blind. Wait, scratch that. I'm fly like the jet lag. I'm proof in the fact you can rise from the setback. No room for the chit chat. With a flow like this shit, hit with an impact. How you do it, I don't get that. He a father, artist, man, and a good dad. Real nigga to the core, and I meant that. 10 toes when I'm on, you offend that. Sorry, I done made peace for the pilots. Spending my days in the silence. I can hear voice, I can hear the voice of the goddess. And you gotta watch your surroundings. Protect your energy, energy.